Hi everyone! In this tutorial we will be practicing using our computer's file system. We'll be downloading files from the internet and then practice saving them to our computer. So first, let's open up any web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Internet Explorer. Once you have opened up any web browser, which is basically an app you can use to search things on the internet, then search for google.com. Once you have typed in google.com, press the return or enter key, and then you will be sent to google.com. Today we will be saving images of birds and elephants and organizing them on our computer. So within google.com there will be this search bar. So right now let's search for birds. Once you have typed in birds, press the return or enter key. So on Google at the top there will be an option that says images, so just click this. And then a bunch of images of birds will show up on your screen. So click on any bird image that you like. I am just going to click on the first one for the purpose of this exercise. So if you are currently using a computer mouse, then right-click on your mouse, and then this menu will come up. Or if you are not using a computer mouse, then hover your cursor over this image and then press down on your touchpad with 2 fingers. Depending on which type of computer you are using, right-clicking might work out kind of differently. Some Windows computers will make you press Shift and then press function 10, the F10 key. So right-click in the way that works for your computer. You may also have to look this up online depending on what kind of computer you are using. Once this menu has come up, there will be an option that says Save Image As. Whether you are using a Windows computer or a Mac computer, somewhere on this menu there will be an option that says Save Image As, so you just have to find this option and then click it. Then this smaller window will open that has all of the files on your computer. And so whether or not you are using a Mac or a Windows computer, usually on the left-hand side, there will be different options for the files on your computer. Just find the one that says desktop. Your desktop is basically the screen of your computer, so any files that are here in our desktop folder will show up on our computer screen. So there will be an automatic file name that Google will give your image file, but this is kind of a long file name, and so we can rename it. So I'm just going to rename it bird1. Once you have named your file, make sure that the desktop folder is selected. If you are using a Chromebook, then there is not a desktop option on Chromebooks, so instead select My Drive. This is basically your Google Drive account, so this is where you can save your photos. Then click Save. Now let's do the same process again with another bird image. So find another bird image that you like. I'm just going to click the second bird image. And if you are using a mouse, then hover your cursor over this image and then right-click with your mouse. Or if you are not using a mouse, then you can hover over it and then press down on your touchpad with 2 fingers at once. Then there will be an option somewhere that says Save Image As, so just click this. Then make sure that you have selected desktop. If you are currently using a Chromebook, then select My Drive. And then let's rename this file to bird2. Now let's repeat this process with one more bird image. this one looks nice, so I'm just going to click this. And so if you are using a mouse, right click on top of the image. If you are not using a mouse, press down on your touchpad with 2 fingers. Then select Save Image As. And then rename your file. So I will rename it as bird3. Then press Save. Alright, so I have now saved 3 bird images to my desktop. Now let's scroll back up to the top and then look up elephant. Once you have done that, press the return key. And now a bunch of images of elephants will show up. So we are going to save 3 elephant images to our computer.